Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the simple and easy flip over method. Today I'm going to be using a combination of a old U-part wig that I already had, as well as some leftover bundles. Basically, the flip over method is nothing new. It's been around for a long time, but I just haven't done it on this channel. So I wanted to show you guys how I do it, how I blend my hair. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so I already braided my hair up. In the front portion is where I'm going to leave my real hair out. I have an anchor braid, and then the rest is just cornrowed back. So this is a U-part wig we're going to be using. I just put in some subtle highlights, and I'm just going to be using this as majority of the hair because your girl did not feel like sewing in individual tracks onto my head. So this is a quick and easier way. First things first is I'm going to cut off the clips because it makes it easier to sew it on your head. It's more uncomfortable if you leave the clips on. So I'm going to take those off first. Now I'm just going to take the U-part wig and sew it around my anchor braid all the way around the entire perimeter of the wig. Now the wig is securely on my head, and we literally just saved ourselves so much time because we didn't have to sew on all those tracks. So let's go on to the next step. Now we're going to start taking some leftover bundles that I had and filling that gap at the top. So we're going to start by placing the tracks straight across in the back of where we have that open gap. Once you get to about this point, you want to stop laying the tracks straight across. We want to change the direction and start laying them sideways. So the key is you want to lay the tracks the opposite way in which you want to flip your hair, if that makes any sense. So if you watch me here, I'm going to be placing the tracks laying to my left, so that way I can flip it over to my right. Alright, so can you guys kind of see what I'm talking about? I'm able to flip them over the opposite way in which I laid them down without you being able to see any of the tracks. So that's our goal here. Now that I have enough tracks laying for my flip, I'm just going to switch to the opposite side and start laying the tracks in the way in which my hair is going to fall, just to fill in that 1.5 inch gap that's left. Okay, now that I have filled in the entire gaps, this is how it looks, and I'm just able to flip my hair over seamlessly to get that effortless curly flip over method. Just want to remind you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, really helps out my video, my channel. So this is me the next day. I like to put my hair in braids overnight. It's the best way for me to preserve the hair and to keep this style in for a long period of time, and it makes the hair look really cute the next day. So I just put a little bit of oil on my hands, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbraid the hair to show you that wavy texture it will create. Here is how the hair looks, and honestly it's so pretty, and all you have to do before you go to bed is wet the hair up just a little bit, not soaking wet, and put a little bit of mousse in your hair. Comb that mousse through and then braid it up in cornrows if you can. And it just creates this really nice texture, and your hair is basically ready to go in the morning. All you gotta do is blend in your leave out. I'm going to use some argan oil for my leave out, so that way, you know, your real hair can stay very moisturized. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking some edge booster, edge control, and just combing out my edges a little bit to start to shape how I want to lay my hair. I'm going to be taking some bobby pins and tucking my hair, my real hair, away. I lift the tracks up and tuck my hair underneath, so that way, you know, it blends better and you don't have your ends sticking out and stuff. Super easy. Just do it until all your hair is blended up really nicely, and this is how it looks once I'm finished. This method is a great option for us curly girls because we don't have to use any closures or hair glue or anything. So I highly recommend that you check out this style, and it's really easy for you to achieve on your own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts about this hairstyle, as well as any other videos you would like to see from me. Last but not least, please subscribe, hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.